How symptoms change. Page number 311.
How symptoms change. Editor's homeopathic physician. For the interest of the members of the Rochester Hahnemannian Society, I desire to comment on the case related by Dr. Grant to the Society and published in Homeopathic Physician, October, page 538, last line, where the doctor gave Stannum. He notes that the patient came back and stated that the sputa had changed in the state to salty. Stannum has the salty taste as well as the sweetish, and it is very common for a drug to convert one symptom into another within its own sphere in curing. If it converts a symptom into one not within its own sphere, the cure will be slow and prove to be not a cure. When a patient returns and reports symptoms worse or changed, it is proper to look to see if the new symptoms are found under the medicine taken. If they are found, there the prescription is a good one, and the physician may say to himself, "Backlack." If the new symptoms are not found in the search into the same proving, there are two conclusions to be settled by waiting. Number one, the case may need another remedy. Number two, if the case goes on to quick recovery, it will be found that the new symptom or symptoms will someday belong to the pathogenetic symptoms. The cultivation of this watchfulness leads to a great accuracy in prescribing. The cultivation of this watchfulness. వారికి ఆ రెమెడీ వేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చిన దాన్ని బట్టి అది మరి పూర్తిగా వెంటనే తగ్గిపోయి క్యూర్ అయిపోతే ఆ రెమెడీ ప్రూవింగ్ లోకి ఇది కూడా రావచ్చు, యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మనం, అదేనా అవ్వచ్చు. లేదా అసలు దీనికి సంబంధించింది కాదు, వీడికి తగులు వచ్చినది కాదు అంటే వేరే దానికైనా వెళ్ళచ్చు. అది వాచ్ చేసుకోండి. The cultivation of this watchfulness leads to great accuracy in prescribing, as much will be gleaned that comes under useful knowledge. The field is very large one, and the field of hypotenuse is especially a fertile one. Observing what develops in the aggravation of hypotenuse and the direction of symptoms is the grandest study in the materia medica.